Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ServiceNow ITSM Interview Questions. This series focuses on IT service management fundamentals that are essential for anyone preparing for ServiceNow interviews. The core topics covered include ITSM workflows, incident management, change management, and IT operations automation. The focus areas encompass ServiceNow platform fundamentals, process configuration, workflow implementation, and interview best practices. By the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of the key concepts and practical knowledge needed to excel in ServiceNow ITSM interviews. ITSM stands for IT Service Management, which is an approach to managing end-to-end IT delivery. It encompasses planning, designing, building, implementing, deployment, improvement, and support for customers and stakeholders. The definition emphasizes that ITSM is an approach to managing end-to-end IT delivery that encompasses planning, designing, building, implementing, deployment, improvement, and support for customers and stakeholders. The core principles include treating IT functions as a service, focusing on user needs and business alignment, adopting a proactive management approach, and implementing continuous service improvement practices. Incident management is a critical ITSM process focused on restoring normal service operation as quickly as possible. The process flow consists of 5 key steps. First, detection and logging where incidents are identified and recorded. Second, categorization where incidents are classified by type and impact. Third, prioritization where urgency and business impact determine handling priority. Fourth, assignment and investigation where incidents are routed to appropriate teams for resolution. And fifth, resolution and closure where solutions are implemented and incidents are formally closed. The incident states include new for incidents that are logged but not investigated, in progress for assigned incidents under investigation, resolved for incidents with provided and verified solutions, and closed for incidents that are confirmed, resolved, and documented. Change management controls the lifecycle of all changes in the IT environment to minimize risk and ensure proper authorization. The change lifecycle includes 6 phases. First, new where the request creation occurs. Second, assess where feasibility review takes place. Third, authorize where CAB approval is obtained. Fourth, schedule where implementation plan is created. Fifth, implement where change execution occurs. And sixth, review where validation and closure happen. Change types are categorized into 3 levels. Standard changes are low risk, pre-approved routine changes with established procedures. Normal changes are planned changes requiring full CAB approval and detailed planning. And emergency changes are critical changes requiring immediate implementation to restore service. Problem management focuses on identifying the root causes of incidents and preventing their recurrence. The problem lifecycle consists of 6 stages. First, new where problem identification occurs. Second, assess where feasibility and impact analysis takes place. Third, root cause analysis where underlying issues are investigated. Fourth, fix in progress where solutions are being developed. Fifth, resolved where solutions are verified. And sixth, closed where post-review is conducted. The key objectives include identifying root causes of recurring incidents, developing permanent solutions to prevent recurrence, reducing incident volume through proactive management, creating knowledge articles for future reference, and enabling continuous service improvement. Release management coordinates the planning, building, testing, and deployment of software and hardware releases. The release lifecycle includes 6 phases. First, planning where scope and strategy are defined. Second, design and build during the development phase. Third, testing for validation and quality assurance. Fourth, deploy for production release. Fifth, monitor for post-release support. And sixth, closure for final review and documentation. Release components are organized hierarchically. Releases serve as the overall package and high-level container for entire software or hardware releases. Items are individual features or specific changes bundled in the release, and tasks represent detailed work required to complete each release item. ITSM processes are interconnected and work together to ensure comprehensive IT service delivery. The process integration shows how incident and problem management have a bidirectional relationship, where incidents can lead to problems and problems help prevent future incidents. Both processes connect to change and release management, where changes flow into releases for coordinated deployment. IT operations automation enhances these processes through several key features. Auto assignment uses machine learning-powered routing to appropriate teams. Workflow Engine provides automated state transitions and approvals. Virtual Agent enables self-service through AI chatbots. And Predictive Intelligence offers proactive issue identification and resolution capabilities. Successful ITSM implementation requires following proven strategies while avoiding common pitfalls. Success strategies include 6 key practices. First, define clear scope and business objectives. Second, leverage out-of-the-box functionality first. Third, ensure data quality before migration. Fourth, engage stakeholders throughout the process. Fifth, start small and scale gradually. And sixth, provide comprehensive user training. Common pitfalls to avoid include over-customization without business justification, insufficient stakeholder engagement, poor data quality and migration planning, unclear objectives and success metrics, inadequate user training and support, and ignoring platform updates and optimization opportunities. Interview preparation should cover both technical knowledge and scenario-based problem solving. Technical questions commonly asked include: what is the difference between incident and problem? How do you configure SLA in ServiceNow? Explain change advisory board process. What are business rules and client scripts? How does ServiceNow handle user authentication? Scenario questions test practical application. How would you handle a P1 incident affecting 500+ users? Design workflow for emergency change approval. Multiple incidents with same root cause, what are the next steps? Automate repetitive service requests using workflows. Configure priority matrix for incident categorization. ServiceNow ITSM offers excellent career progression opportunities across multiple levels. Career progression typically follows 4 stages. Entry level as administrator or developer with foundation skills, CSA certification, and basic scripting. Mid-level as specialist or analyst with advanced implementations, CIS certifications, and API integrations. Senior level as consultant or manager with strategic oversight, complex solutions, and stakeholder management. And leadership level as architect or director with platform strategy, CTA certification, and enterprise architecture expertise. The action plan includes 4 key steps. Get certified starting with CSA and progressing to specialized certifications. Gain hands-on practice using personal developer instance for real experience. Build network by joining ServiceNow community and attending knowledge events. And specialize by focusing on high-demand areas like security, ITOM, or HR.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.